I will show you how to change filter mode in uBlock Origin, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more new uBlock Origin tutorials. Open the new tab on your Google, click on Extractions icon on your Google Chrome, click on your Black Origin. Now click on the Settings key here we'll find the default filtering mode, so if you want to choose a basic filtering mode, Optimal Complete, so basic network filtering from selected filter list. This basic mode does not require permission to read and modify data on websites already using the optimal filtering mode. So advanced network filtering plus specific standard filtering from selected friend release. So this requires broad permission, but if you want to activate the full filtering mode, in future, you need to choose the complete filtering mode. So this requires broad permission to read and modify data. So this is the best filtering mode that you can choose in the block edition to block all the resources. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this quite helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.